Meta puts a screen in your glasses. Google bakes more AI into Chrome. Microsoft pours billions into AI compute. OpenAI tightens protections for teens. Publishers sue Google over AI answers. And Alphabet crosses a $3 trillion milestone. First, Meta Connect. Meta announced the Ray-Ban display glasses with a tiny waveguide screen in the right lens and a new neural band wrist device that reads micro-muscle signals for subtle control. Price is $7.99, with US retail demos and sales starting September 30th. There's also a sport-focused Oakley Vanguard at $4.99 and refreshed camera-first Ray-Bans. Translation: Meta is pushing everyday glanceable AI directions, captions, quick replies without a bulky headset. If you're AR curious, wait for hands-on battery and visibility tests. Early demos looked promising but had some hiccups on stage. Google next. Chrome is getting a slate of new AI features and tighter integration with AI mode. Think help directly from the address bar, improved writing and page assist tools, and more visible safety controls. The bigger shift is mental. The browser becomes an assistant layer, not just a window to the web. Practical tip: after updating Chrome, check settings for AI features and turn on Show Sources/Dates in your prompts to keep answers grounded. On infrastructure, Microsoft unveiled what it calls the world's most powerful AI data center in Wisconsin, Fairwater, and committed to a second site, bringing total spend past $7 billion. We're talking hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA GPUs, fiber interconnects at supercomputer scale, and closed-loop cooling to cut water use. Why you should care? This is the backbone that trains the next generation of frontier models. If you run AI workloads, watch for regional capacity and pricing shifts as these facilities come online. OpenAI moved on teen safety. The company says it will restrict ChatGPT behavior for under 18s, add age estimation and, in some cases, ID checks, and tighten guardrails around sexual content and self-harm. The idea is to reduce risky interactions and escalate to help resources when needed. For parents and schools, the takeaway is simple. Review account settings, talk about what the AI can and can't do, and set clear boundaries for use. Meanwhile, publishers versus platforms escalated. Penske Media, the company behind Rolling Stone and Variety, sued Google, arguing the AI overviews at the top of search repurpose their journalism without proper compensation and depress clicks. If courts agree, Google may have to rethink how AI answers display and attribute content. For users, that could mean fewer instant summaries and more links. For creators, it could mean new licensing frameworks. And a market milestone. Alphabet joined the $3 trillion club this week. It's a sentiment check on AI. Investors expect Google's AI-driven search, cloud, and device moves to translate into sustained revenue. If you're building in the Google ecosystem, anticipate faster rollout of AI features across Search, Workspace, Android, and Chrome. Quick takeaways before we wrap. AR glasses are real now, but treat first-gen displays as glanceable info, not full apps. A browser-level AI will change habits. Use Show Sources and Dates in prompts to keep trust. Compute build-outs signal more model launches, but also regional differences in access and pricing. And teen safety is tightening. Educators should align on rules before the school term ramps. The publisher lawsuit could reshape how AI answers appear in search. Watch this space. That's your week in AI and tech. If this saved you time, subscribe for our Sunday roundup and a midweek explainer with step-by-step workflows. See you next time.